In this question it is given that water is filled in a cylindrical container to a height of 3 meter as shown in figure. Ratio of cross section area of orifice means nothing but a small opening, and the beaker is 0.1. So take it as area of cross section of this container is equal to nothing but A, and area of cross section of this small orifice is take it as nothing but small letter A. In general, we'll neglect the area of cross section of orifice with respect to A, but over here they are given the value, so we need to consider. That means the value of A by A is given as nothing but 0.1. The square of speed of liquid coming out of the orifices. Let's say the liquid is coming out from the orifice with the velocity v. Our aim is to find out what about the value of this v square. So we already derived the equation for this velocity of liquid coming out if we are not neglecting the effect of this size of orifice. Then the equation becomes 2 into root of 2 into g into h into a square divided by a square minus a square. So or we can just modify it something like this: 2 into g into h into, if we are dividing this one by a square, this is going to be 1 divided by 1 minus small letter a square divided by capital letter a square. So we can write, we can just substitute the values, all other informations are given. So you can write under root of 2 into g, acceleration due to gravity, can take it as nothing but 10, and the height of hole, so this is nothing but the distance h. Let's see what about the value of h over here. H is nothing but total distance is given as 3 meter. This distance is given as 3 meter minus this distance, which is 52.5 centimeters. So this is 3 minus 0.525. So this is 3 minus 0.525 will get as around 2.475. So instead of h we can put this value, that is 2.475 into the value of 1 divided by 1 minus a square by a, with the value of a by a is given as nothing but 0.1. So it is going to be square of 0.1, which is 0.01. So we can write this is equal to under root of 2 into 10 into 2.475 into 1 divided by, this value is going to be 0.99. Now if you are dividing this value by 0.99, you will get the answer as nothing but 2.5. So you can write this is nothing but under root of 2 into 10 into 2.5. So 2.5 into 2 is 5, 5 into 10 we can take it as 50. So the value of v is going to be root of 50, or the value of v square can be taken as nothing but 50.